The Recipe Room. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make delicious, homemade chicken nuggets from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup flour, 1 egg, beaten, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, panko or Italian, 1 pound chicken breast, 3 teaspoons seasoned salt, 3 teaspoons pepper, 1 cup canola oil optional, 1/8 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. In 3 individual bowls, separate the flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Add a teaspoon of seasoned salt and black pepper to each of the bowls and whisk to combine. Next, trim off the fat from the chicken breasts. Then, chop them up into nugget-sized pieces. You can also cut them into chicken tenders if you prefer. Dip the chicken pieces in the bowl of flour and shake off any excess. Then, dip the chicken pieces in the egg mixture, making sure to coat both sides completely. Finally, dredge the chicken nuggets into the breadcrumb mixture, again making sure to coat both sides thoroughly. Place the chicken nuggets on a cooling rack over a baking sheet if you are going to bake your chicken nuggets. Spray them with cooking spray. Bake the chicken nuggets in a 425°F oven for 25 minutes. Flip the nuggets halfway through the baking process. You can also fry them. Heat the cup of oil to 375°F and fry 3 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Serve the nuggets hot and fresh with your favorite dipping sauce and watch them disappear. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.